Hamsters, nuclear power for a crypto exchange. Grand Theft Auto 6 is finally accepting crypto. Let's watch today's episode to find out more. Nuclear power at a crypto exchange? Yes! A US crypto exchange, Kraken, is considering using nuclear energy as a power source for its data centers in North America and Europe. Whoa! What do I always tell you, Security and cautiousness, hamsters. One user lost around $240,000 in NFTs on the Blur NFT marketplace. A scammer used a vulnerability in the listing system on the platform and enabled a private sale. The user lost 6 Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, 40 beans, and 3 elementals, over $239,000 in total, which were listed for practically zero due to the vulnerability. Speaking of NFTs, there is an important lawsuit going on in the US that might define the legal future of non-fungible tokens. The judge in the lawsuit against DraftKings NFTs alleged they are unregistered securities and decided to proceed with the case. We'll report on what happens next, hamsters. Rumors have surfaced, on X of course, that a popular game, Grand Theft Auto 6, is going to accept crypto payments, specifically Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. But the truth is that these rumors have been circling for a year now, and nothing has been confirmed. So as always, hamsters, only trust the official sources. And with the uncertainty going on with the US elections after the debate last week, the crypto markets are betting on Kamala Harris to become a president, with bets on crypto prediction market Polymarket and the meme coin Kamala Harris Camus price surging. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. See you tomorrow.